需要中文字幕的话，请看右下角的齿轮按键，按下去你就会看到那个字幕选项。
Hey, it's Harley from Coversource here with a video to teach you guys how to play When the Party's Over by Billie Eilish. First, here's the song.
Don't you know I'm no good for you? I've learned to lose, you can't afford to. Tore my shirt to stop you bleeding, but nothing ever stops you leaving. Quiet when I'm coming home and I'm on my own. I could lie, say I like it like that, like it like that. I could lie, say I like it like that, like it like that.
To hear the full cover, stay till the end of the video. I'm going to teach you guys 2 levels of difficulty for this. They're both easy, but the first one's just going to be open chords, and the second one is going to be the way that I play it.
For this cover, I've put a capo on the 4th fret. You can move the capo around to make the song easier to sing as you like. How about some love for my friend Kelly, who killed the vocals on the 3rd take?
There are only 5 chords for this song. They are F major 7, G, A minor, C, and D minor. This song is in 3/4. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But you guys are gonna wanna think 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, and 3. You need the ands as well. It's gonna help you guys with the strumming. For the main part of the song, on each 3, it's going to be a G. And we're not gonna play the full chord because it doesn't sound that good. It sounds better with just the bass note, the root note. The second part of the song is the I could lie, right? I could lie, say I like it like that. It's the same as the first part of the song, except we don't start on F, we start on D minor. The last part of the song is the Let You Go part. It's just G and F. We'll play the F chord, the same shape, and we're gonna slide it up 2 frets. All right, if you can't slide, just learn it while you're playing this. Keep trying, it's not that difficult. You'll get it if you take your time and just keep practicing. Slow it right down, and you'll be all right. And there's the quiet when I'm coming home part. You don't have to play anything for that, but if you want to learn the you can watch the next part of the video. Okay, my version is not much more difficult. I'm doing some finger picking, slides, hammer-ons, things like that, but it's almost the same level of difficulty. You don't have to play it exactly the way I play it. You can take what I'm playing and change it to your taste as well. Make it your own style. Here's the playthrough with the tab. Okay, and finally, here's the full cover.
Don't you know I'm no good for you? I've learned to lose, you can't afford to. Tore my shirt to stop you bleeding, but nothing ever stops you leaving. Quiet when I'm coming home and I'm on my own. I could lie, say I like it like that, like it like that. I could lie, say I like it like that, like it like that. I'll call you when the party's over. Quiet when I'm coming home and I'm on my own. Not can I say I like it like that, like it like that. Yeah, I can I say I like it like that, like it like that. But nothing's better sometimes. Once we both said our goodbyes, let's just let it go. Let me let you go. Quiet when I'm coming home and I'm on my own. How can I say I like it like that, like it like that? How can I say I like it like that, like it like that?
Let me know your favorite Billie Eilish song in the comments. Consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching.